All right, let's talk about a tool that solves a super common, super modern headache.
You know that feeling? Toggling back and forth between an AI chat and what you're actually doing? So you read a step, flip to your app, do the thing, then flip right back again.
Yeah, that back and forth just completely wrecks your focus and slows you way down.
Okay, so what's the fix? Well, it's this thing called the AI Step Guide.
And the whole idea is pretty genius. It keeps your eyes and hands right on the task.
Getting it going is so simple. You just ask your AI for some instructions, this little overlay pops up, reads the first step out loud, and then just listens. But what's really cool is the tech that makes all this simplicity possible. For starters, it's all offline and private. Your voice never even hits the internet.
And to make it feel instant, it actually preloads the audio for the next step. And navigating is totally hands-free. You just use these simple voice commands. Just say next to move on, repeat if you need it again, you get the idea.
But honestly, the absolute best part is just getting started.
You don't even have to install it. You literally just ask your AI assistant. The AI reads the setup guide and just boop, does the whole thing for you. Done.
So yeah, the only things you actually need are Python, a mic, and speakers.
If you want to try it, the whole thing is right there on GitHub, ready to go.
So, the big question is, what's the first annoying task you're going to automate with this?